Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the FLIP-05 by Demonia in black vegan leather. This model comes in ladies size 6 to 12 US. So let's get them out of the box for you now. Most of these smaller style shoes come with their own little dust bags like this. This style has got these little skull prints on the insole edge all the way around. And there are these little skull studs on the straps. And this style also has this rippled sole. Now just get the other shoe out of the box. So here you see this skull print, and we've got the Demonia logo as well on the insole. And a bit of a close-up of the skull studs that you can see here. This style also has a slight wedge incline with a 2.5-inch platform. We are unboxing these exactly as we have received them from our supplier. So this is the first time that we have opened up this box. So there you have it, some super cute little sandals, perfect for the Australian summer weather that we're having right now. Let us know in the comments what you think, if you like this sort of design, and also if there's another style of shoes that you really want to see up close in better detail. Let us know which style it is, and we'll see if we can get to unboxing that one for you as well in another video. And all the shoes that we are unboxing for you are available online for Australia and New Zealand on our website www.gothicfootwear.com.au.